To do my eye makeup, I'm using three eye makeup brushes. One is from PAC and brush number 229. One is from Pro Art PF08, and to give a small thin line darker, this is also from PAC 202. The whole eye makeup I will be doing with these three brushes. One is from Swiss Beauty 40 Shades eyeshadow palette, and one is Pigment Play. Okay, one from Mars to make my eyebrows. I love applying shimmer. If you want this to be like little lighter, you can keep this eye makeup like this. You just apply a mascara or wear eyelash and you leave it. Okay, and I'm giving it a little bit dramatic look with a green touch, so let's see how it looks. I'm using this shade and applying on eyelashes like a liner. This is not the exact shade what I'm wearing, but still, as it is very pigmented and I'm applying on orange color, so it will do the job. I have applied it now. If you want, you can smudge it. I'm also smudging it a bit. We'll apply kajal and mascara and we will be done. Don't forget to highlight. I'm done with my eye makeup. I'll just apply mascara. Last but not least, this is from Colorina Makeup Studio. I'm applying brown first and then I will use orange. Orange and mix it with this. It looks amazing, but I'll lighten up this color.